Are you thinking about rolling over your 401k? Well, one wrong move could cost you thousands in taxation and penalties. Now, folks, I've seen it happen to hardworking people. They saved for decades, but lost a big chunk of their retirement because of a rollover mistake. So, in this video, I'll walk you through the three most common rollover mistakes people make and how you could avoid them so you can keep more of your money when it comes to retirement. So let's get right to it. Mistake number one is cashing out instead of rolling over. Now, when you leave your job, you have three options. You can cash it, you can leave it, or you could roll it. Now, if you cash out before age 59 and a half, here's what happens. One, you're going to pay ordinary income tax on the entire balance. And on top of that, you'll pay 10% early withdrawal penalty. So if you had, let's say, $100,000 in your 401k, you could lose 30,000 or 40,000 immediately due to Uncle Sam. Now that's devastating. Now the better move for what I tell people is keep your money invested and growing by rolling it into an IRA or into an annuity. Plain and simple. Mistake number two is doing a indirect rollover. You have a direct rollover and an indirect rollover. This is the one that I see it catches a lot of people by surprise. If the check from your 401k is made out to you, then the IRS requires the employer to withhold 20% in taxes automatically. And you only have 60 days, folks. 60 days to put that money into a new account, and then if you don't replace it, they're going to withhold that 20% and you'll be taxed on it. Now, the better way I tell people is asking for a direct rollover or trustee to trustee transfer. That way, your money moves directly from one account to another, no taxes, no withholding, and then you don't have to worry about having headaches for you holding the money. And then mistake number three is this: not comparing your options. Too many people just leave their 401k behind or roll it over without thinking. But rolling into an IRA or annuities opens up more choices. It could be lower fees, it could be a broader investment opportunities. You could have a guaranteed income options inside your annuities, things of that nature. The mistake is rolling it into the wrong type of account without matching it up to your retirement goals. So I tell people all the time the key, folks, is to compare. Do you need the growth, income, or do you need the safety? Your rollover should reflect that, plain and simple. So, with that being said, a real quick recap. Number one, don't cash out unless you want to hand over thousands of dollars to Uncle Sam, which I know you don't want to do. Number two, don't do an indirect transfer. Always request a trustee to trustee transfer or rolling it over and do a direct rollover into an IRA or annuities. And number three, don't roll over without comparing all your options and understanding if you need it for either growth, you need it for income, or you need it for protection. Getting this right could save you thousands of dollars, folks, in retirement. I know what this means. I've been licensed for the last 10 years in the financial industry, and I see these things happen all the time. So if you want a free consultation, we could walk through everything to see your options. So make sure you click the link in the description to schedule a consultation. But make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, you're here with Earl the Money Coach, and I'll see you on the next one.